day, students. Welcome to another episode of School on Air. I'll be your instructor for Basic Science and Technology GSS 3. So this will be the fourth and the last part of our topic on processing of materials, plastic and rubber. Processing of material, plastics and rubber. So we've been able to talk about different types of materials. We've been able to talk on plastic and rubber. So let's get into the action. For today, we are going to be talking about uses of plastic and rubber. Uses of plastics and rubber. Let's get for uses of plastics. Number one, it is used for chairs and tables in home. So we use plastic to make our chairs and tables in our house. So we produce these chairs and table by the method we talked about injection mold of plastic. So we can produce these tables and chairs by the injection mold of processing plastic. Number two, it is used as container bags in supermarkets and as pure water container. So plastics are used as container bags for carrying our groceries in our supermarkets and as pure water container. So number three, it is used as body fender for cars of recent. It is used as body fenders for car of recent. So modern cars, they have what we call body fenders. So these are made up of plastics. So the body fenders, if you notice on cars, are made up of plastics. So number four, it is used in engines of cars where intense heat is not needed. So it is used in engines of cars when intense heat is not needed. So this part of car, the heat that is gotten from this part must not be too high because the heat can damage the plastic. So the part of the engine that contains plastic is the one that does not have intense heat or that does not produce intense heat. So the part of the engine that is made up of plastic must be of low heat intensity. So let's get to number five. It is used where it is not experienced like the rotor. It is used where it is not experienced like the rotor. So the rotor of a car or other automobiles can be made up of plastic. So these parts are made up of plastic because the heat that is generated from that part is very low, so thereby cannot damage the part of the plastic. So let's get to number six. Number six, it is used as body parts for most of our musical instruments like piano, flute, speaker. It can be used for the body parts for most of our instrumental musical instruments like pianos, flutes, and speakers. So these instrumental instruments are made up of plastics, like our drums, like our flutes, and so on. They are made up of plastic, our plastic flute, or our piano. These parts are made up of plastic, like our thermoplastic or our thermoset. So let's go to the activities for this chapter. So the activities for this chapter, I'll be giving you activities and I hope you do these activities on your own. So activity 4.1, visit a plastic industry and see how plastic chairs and tables are produced. So in a plastic industry, plastic products are produced, and you should note how these products are produced. And we've been talking about the process of producing plastic and the processes involved in the production of plastic. So when you visit a plastic industry, you should note